What is up, guys? Your boy iQuiggles, and guess what we're making? Ramen noodles. Let's go. Alright guys, a lot of people said you can use your mind to boil water. Let's do this. A little bit of stirring in my life, a little bit of something, something, yeah. A little bit of something around here, yeah. A little bit of something, 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 yeah. Pour the water on the ramen, that doesn't really do anything. That kind of rhymed and sounded cool. That's all I got. Alright guys, you want to make sure that you set the timer to 3 minutes. Now the delicate process. You got 2 bags of ramen, but you got 2 packs of seasoning. You want to go ahead and use both of them. A little hole in the top corner. And there you go. You really don't want to snort this stuff, guys. Alright guys, there you have it. That is how you make ramen noodles just like that. Catch me next time. Remember to like, sub, definitely hug. Go ahead and comment below if you want to see me cook something else. You know, a bowl of cereal, a frozen pizza, a microwavable meal, you know, anything. Comment below. I'll take a look at them. I'll choose the best ones. Remember to like, sub, definitely hug, guys, and peace.